Hello my flourishing friends. Another Sunday, another craft day. The more I say it, the more it makes me happy actually. So every Sunday is a big craft celebration here. For today's video, I have something a bit different, but I hope it's gonna turn out how I imagine it. I've never tried it before, so yeah, we're all gonna learn together here. The other day I bought those fake leaves for decoration and realized I can also craft with them. So I pulled out pre-cut card I already have. Really like this ombre look, how the orange fades. Really nice. What are we gonna do is we're gonna do a little ballerina kind of thing with the card. And use the leaves as a dress. So for the main, like the skirt or the lower part of the dress, we're gonna use the big leaf, and then for the top, the smaller one. How are we gonna do it is, first of all, get rid of the stems there. Just cut it off. Since it's plastic, it's pretty easy to handle on both of them. I'm so excited for today. What I want to create is the look like it's almost a corsage on the dress. So see, by just flipping it back, you can already imagine it being a dress. So I'm gonna cut those parts of the leaf off, and I'm gonna do it in like a round move. Like so, and see, when you put it on top, it's already a bit like a dress. So up next comes the gluing. And with the gluing, I thought quite some time, because it's such a thick material, and then to glue it on a card is even harder because you cannot really use your glue gun. At least I cannot, because I think my glue gun is too hot or something. It would melt the leaves and the paper would look weird. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut little stripes in there, and then we're going to glue it with the clear tape, which also is nice because it's still, yeah, it makes the leaves stay puffy, and that's what you want. So let's do this real quick. How I do that is just flip it, then cut on one side and on the other, like so. And I'm gonna do this with that one as well, just so it's big enough for the tape to go through. Take the clear tape. Then you have to put it through your holes there. That doesn't sound right when I say it, but okay. Now it's out in the open. It's a bit tricky, but we're all gonna get there. Okay, so now we have the tape on this side. It's almost not visible on the other side. I'm gonna glue it right away. Okay, see, it holds on. That's all you want. And like I said earlier, the puffiness it has is nice for this popping out effect. So same with the red one. Now I'm gonna adjust it a bit, how I think it looks more dressy. I think this is nice. I'm gonna glue it down here, and then I'm gonna cut away the excess clear tape. Nice, I really love it. That's so cool. So now what you still have are those two little pieces from the sides, remember? What I'm gonna do, I think, I'm not sure. Yeah, what I'm gonna do with them is glue them underneath of this leaf, because it's even more layers, and layers are always good. So let's do this real quick. I'm just gonna lift it up and glue it to the paper just straight as it is, because it's fabric, it's gonna stick, and it's gonna be fine. So there we are. Of course, when we want a ballerina or a dancer or a pretty girl in the dress, she needs arms and legs and stuff. We're gonna draw them. What I'm gonna do, since I'm not 100% sure where this is going, I'm gonna use an orange pen, just a normal felt tip, and draw it first out. So if I want to accent it in black or something, yeah, maybe I can make up for some mistakes, because from now on, guys, we go free-handed. And what I'm going to do first, I'm going to draw a head. I want to keep it really simple, like it's really just a silhouette, and the dress thingy is the main star. So just like that, and then her arms would be here. Like so. And then she needs legs. Oh, I love it. I even like it in orange. So I think I'm gonna see if I have a darker orange or a reddish, and then I'm gonna come back and draw it in red or orange, because I think it's really nice. I think black would be too hard. So let me do that real quick. I found the perfect pen, yay! Yeah, it's a dark red, like almost burgundy. And so we're gonna draw over what we just did in orange. I think that was a good plan to go. You can also do it in like pencil and then just rubber it away when it's wrong, but I go like this. Like that. I think that looks so cool, unbelievable. What I'm gonna do, because I think the card needs something more, I have here this cutter that makes straight corners round. I'm gonna round it all up a bit. Like this. I think that gives it a better look for the inside. It's hard to hold up with the leaves on the back, but it's gonna be fine. What I want to do now is just draw some lines here and there to give it a more light look, like we're dancing through the card. Again, I just go freestyle. And that's like a nice brownish color. Like so. So it's just, yeah, it's a nice look inside. It's simple. You would be still able to write over it if you want to, but after all, you have enough space to write a nice note. So you guys, today was really a quick fast episode. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I could inspire you to do it with to do this kind of card with different materials. You can use feathers or other flowers or leaves or real leaves if you want to. I prefer false ones because I have pen pals that are quite far away, and when I send them something with real leaves and the envelope gets smooshed, yeah, then they open the envelope and it looks like there's only tobacco or something in there. So yeah, fake leaves it is. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I for sure did. I look forward to do more of those simpler things. Yeah, sometimes I feel like with people crafting, they do way too much and go over the edge. So simplicity sometimes is good as well. So that was it for today, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Lots of love, happy smiles, and hugs. Your Lisa.